Welcome to IDEA, the manufacturer of small and modern architectural forms used for durable urban, landscape, park and garden solutions. One of our company's distinguishing features is the transformation of every external and internal parameter of industrial products into a thoughtful design, ensuring their technical specifications meet international standards. We take pride in our successful exports to countries like Saudi Arabia, Qatar, United Arab Emirates, Russia, Kazakhstan and Ireland. And we strive to expand our export geography. Our experience of over 20 years goes beyond product manufacturing. IDEA has undertaken more than 200 diverse and complex projects and developed over 500 industrial solutions. IDEA combines two different production processes, metal and wood, within its production park. All our steel products used outdoors undergo a hot dip galvanizing process to prevent corrosion, followed by a powder coating, guaranteeing the longevity of our metal products. When necessary, we also use stainless steel, aluminum, Core-10 and other types of metals for our custom projects. Wood products in IDEA's production park undergo an impregnation process, ensuring resistance against termites, insects, mold and decay for up to 50 years in outdoor conditions. Glue-laminated wooden structures seamlessly integrate into design environments, unlike other load-bearing structures. Wood types processed with glue lamination are indispensable in load-bearing constructions due to their aesthetic appearance. The wood is painted with a coating that is certified with the EN 713 safety for toys, which does not swell or crack and is water repellent. The UV-resistant paint comes in various shades and is not opaque. Due to its transparency effect, it allows the natural texture and grain of the wood to remain visible. Using weld joints for metal and wood connections outdoors can cause steel to rust. Therefore, bolt connections should be used for structures installed outdoors, as they accelerate the work process and simplify the transportation of products for future exports. The first project we want to showcase is the artwork facade for Baku Zoological Park. This project is proof of our technical capabilities. The artwork facade is a tangible result of our engineering and design skills. In this project, we specifically used Core-10 metal plates. We consider this project one of the most successful representations of our bespoke architectural facade solutions. Despite the appearance of rusted metal, the facade fully contributes to the urban interior and architecture and is entirely resistant to harsh weather conditions. The second project we want to highlight is the chill-out zone we prepared for Formula One. This structure's ease of assembly and disassembly allows it to be installed in any public area for various service purposes without harming the urban landscape and ecology, and without the need for a concrete foundation. This project demonstrates our engineering and design skills, as well as our stringent attention to material quality and our full customization capabilities. Our company specializes in the production of poles, boxes and various technological equipment enclosures that meet IP standards and are resistant to harsh weather conditions outdoors. Our main goals include exporting innovative industrial products to global markets under the Made in Azerbaijan brand label. Thank you for your attention.